This time I bring to you a demo using a hybrid approach between ladder logic and digital logic. In digital logic we have elements like flip-flops, in this case set reset or reset set. The idea is activate a coil, and when the button is pressed again, the coil must be deactivated. After that, we have a second task. This task is while the coil is activated, we must wait with this turn on delay a second. What is that second? Here. When the pulse arrives to the element, this element waits a second. After that, the output is activated to set the second set reset flip-flop, and when the load, in this case a motor, is activated, the second element waits another second to deactivate that coil. Finally, if I press the button when is activated the load motor, all the system must be deactivated. To visualize this, I will go to the input-output definitions. Here you can see all the definitions for every load or every input. For this time I will delete this and reassign to here. Why? To visualize better in the PLC. Now I need to connect my device in order to be programmed. First I will build this project. There is no major problems, and I will connect to the device. I have the PLC to be connected. This is an advice to verify that the device is correctly selected. Alt plus F to accept. Here you must put your user and password selected when you start to use the device. I'm sure? Yes, I'm sure. If you select login with only change, only in this session you will see the changes or simulations. But when you turn off the PLC and turn on again, you will not be able to see that changes. To ensure that new behavior, select login with download. Are you sure that is the base? Yes, Alt F. Again. This is only the first time. Okay, go to the ladder logic. Number 1, you will see the actual states of the system, and if you try to activate any device, input, output, so on and so forth, you are not able to do. You must guarantee that the PLC is in the running state. You can accelerate this behavior in the button. You can see that is in stop, and I will do a start. Do you really want to perform the operation start? Yes. And you can see that it's running now. So let's activate. Okay. You can see that the load is activated and the motor load is oscillating each second. A second on and a second off. If you want to stop this, you must press the button again. Check that if I press here, there is no behavior or deactivation. But when the button is released, okay, it's okay, everything. Why? Here I used contacts with edge detector. Which edge? With the negation edge or falling edge is detected. Only in that situation the contact is activated. So you are able to see the changes each time that is updated, and you can see a small view of the timing running. And that's all for this time. Wait for the newest test, and I hope this is useful for you.